What's up guys, Rick Dedemir, Holy Moly Outdoors, coming back to you again with another DIY video. Still in quarantine here, so this is a great time again to go and put something together to help you prep for what's to come when things open back up. So today we are doing a DIY fish stringer in a couple different ways from Harbor Freight again. So stay tuned, so it's going to be a fun one and I can't wait to show you what I got. Fish on! We're back at the workbench, and this time instead of Hobby Lobby, we're at Harbor Freight picking up all these materials. So I will put everything in the link description below for you guys, but this is going to be a nifty and sweet way for you guys to make your own fishing stringer for cheap. Now there are some really nice ones out there. I keep losing mine, so I found a way with some of the buddies' ideas as well as some stuff that I kind of have found over the years that really work. And because Harbor Freight has these for a cheaper option plus coupons, this really is a cool idea. So we're going to make two different types actually, and the first things you're going to need material wise are all laid out in front of you. But there is the Pittsburgh wrench ring set. It comes in a 2-pack for only like $2. So this in itself will make you 2 stringers. You'll need some kind of paracord, and that's 2 stringers for essentially like maybe $2 in material. So each. Pretty darn sweet there. And then secondly, we have a braided stringer, and this happens to be from Walmart. But the reason why I got this is because it has a ring attached and a threading tool. Now what this will do, you can go to Harbor Freight and get a jumbo aluminum hook. Now this jumbo size is nice because, I'll show you once you pull that off, you can thread this through the fish's gills, close it, and now you have something handle wise to carry out. Clip it to your backpack or whatever you want to do. That ring can then attach to the unit itself, and you can put the stringer in the water. Now if you don't want to go the jumbo hook route, they do have a smaller version as well. So we're going to build these together, but very simple, cheap, and you can wrap these up, throw a couple of them in your pack, and you're fishing. So let's get started. The Pittsburgh wrench set is what we're going to do first. We're just going to set one of them aside. Now it's a pinch style, so you're going to grab and pull it off, and there you go. And so to attach it, then you just push it back over. We're going to take our paracord apart. Get yourself a knife. And find where the end is at. Now you can make this as long as you want. So I'll make it about 8 feet long. Cut it. Now with paracord, I recommend you get a lighter. This will just help melt it down on the end so nothing unravels on you. But then I like to tie on the bottom end of this because if you're going to reclamp it, and that fish is hooked in through up top, then you're not going to have any way for that to butt itself off. So I will take that melted end we just did, and I will tie the same fishing knot that I use for tying gear, the ward knot. Super simple. Locks it down. You can trim off the tag excess, and then all you need to do is wrap that up, tuck in the tag in. Now there's a stringer ready to go, and we didn't even take 5 minutes to make that. Now, a good buddy of mine, Donnie Dehart, was the one that showed me this, so I really appreciate that, Donnie. And something he likes to do as well is put a mini carabiner on this end so you can clip this whole stringer unit to a tree branch, whatever you may have around you, your backpack, and that is one stringer ready. And make it even simpler, again, this one's from Walmart, the stringer end, but it's only a couple dollars because the threaded end that goes through the gills, then it has this. Now in typical standard you can just loop it through after you got the fish on the stringer. Now there you go. However, it's not fun when this braided nylon gets blood on it and everything else. So if you just hook it like that, now you can use this end to tie up to a tree or whatever. Now your fish is on a stringer and it's all set to go. You do the same thing, the smaller version, and you're all set. Now if you didn't want to use this from Walmart and we wanted to do just everything from Harbor Freight, then specifically you have 100 feet or 50 feet, I believe, this paracord. You can tie the same deal to both of these and put a mini carabiner clip on the end of it, and you have stringers ready to go. So that's it. Simple DIY stringer from Harbor Freight for all the materials, a little bit from Walmart as an option for a second deal. But the paracord, these clips, all work great. And we'll showcase a couple pictures that Donnie has sent me, and some of my use on the water as well. So thanks guys for watching so much. If you like this or have any other suggestions, what's another video DIY that we could do from one of these craft stores, Hobby Lobby, or a Harbor Freight for fishing related DIY projects, or something that you like to use for your own custom stringers, I would love to see it or hear about it. And maybe we can feature that on our next video. So thanks again so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys out in the water real soon. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and look forward to seeing you and hearing you soon. Take care guys. Fish on!